but it's still super, super practical. So let's get to the last box. Okay, so I lied. Opening the box right now. This is, I didn't even check where this box was coming from. This is actually coming from TJ Maxx. I actually had ordered a couple stuff from TJ Maxx, and I totally forgot about them till right now. That I was like, what did I order? I remember I did order more stuff, like little crossbodies and stuff from Kate Spade after Black Friday, so they haven't arrived. But let me show you guys what you guys can get at TJ Maxx online. If you guys didn't know, TJ Maxx does have an online website. So I ordered this gorgeous velvet dress, as you guys can see. It's beautiful, the front. And this retails for $138 in the color mauve. If I can find it, I'll put it in the link below so you guys can get it. But I love that it has this, I don't know what it's called, but it's so the dress will kind of stick to your body and it won't go down. And it has this closure and the zipper all the way in the back. Can't really show you guys how beautiful it looks, but it's super long. And it's like a long dress. This is like so pretty for like Christmas or something. I really, really like it. So I hope it fits. I got this dress. And if you guys didn't know, this is not sponsored or anything, but you could order stuff on TJ Maxx online. And actually, if you don't like it, you can go return it at the store. And to me, it's easier because it's not like you're, rumbling in the store trying to get stuff. Oh, this was a really cute shirt. Look, this is green. I don't know the brand, but it's small. It doesn't really have a tag, but I love the shoulders. Let me see if I can kind of zoom out so you guys can see better. There we go. Look. I just love this. And the shoulders are kind of different. It's very cute. This one, I don't recall what I paid for, but everything I'm going to show you guys, I paid under like $100 for everything. Okay, so this is some jeans that I got. Let me show you guys. So let me see. I have the receipt right here, so you guys can kind of see. So for the black jean, for the dress, I paid $15. For the shirt was $12. For these pants, they're $12. So as you guys can see, eco-friendly denim. And it says eco-friendly denim. I've never used it, so I'm not sure. But I like that it was high-waisted and it has all these cool buttons. And it has some rips. So I'm going to try it on later and see how it fits. But it was really cool. Now looking at it, it looks kind of huge for my body. But I'll try it on and find out. Okay, and then I got another pair of jeans. And these, I believe, are from the same brand. I don't remember. Let's see. No, they're different brand. I've never used this brand before, but... Oh, no, they're the same brand. Eco-friendly. I got them in the vintage high-rise. And same thing, it has the buttons. I thought they were really cute. But I picked 27, but now looking at it, I think they're huge. I use 27 on the Miss Me, but only because I like to use them a little bit loose. And then it has a rip and on the bottom. So these might not fit me, but we'll see. Okay. Then I ordered... Oh, this is a Nine West shirt. I thought it was really cute. Let me show you guys really quick. So you guys can find the cutest things. See the Nine West, and it has a cute little like I was saying, look, $59, and I only paid like $12. So TJ Maxx has really, really cool stuff for cheap price. So I do recommend you guys to try and buy some. Like this brand Casper, I have bought this brand multiple times, and these type of suits, I think I want to say I get them at Macy's. They're like super, well, not super expensive, but they do, look, $199. And I want to say I got it for what did I get them for? $12 or something? I don't know. But like I said, I paid like $89 for everything I got. The most expensive thing I bought were some boots that I'll show you guys right now. But look at the quality. It's small. I love the color. It's green. And it has like this black detail. It's not even the best. You guys can't really see. Let me see. You guys can kind of see it a little bit better. But as you can see, it comes with a hanger. It comes in the plastic. Everything comes super, super cool. Okay, let me show you this. So I got these boots. Look how beautiful. And they're really, really cute. Let me see if I can zoom in. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, as you guys can see, they're long. I don't know if you can see, but super long. They're over the knee. And they have this really cute zipper. And these were only $39, as you guys can see. Super, super, super cute and super long. They come with the string. If I can, I'll upload pictures so you guys can kind of see what they look like on the models. If they still have them online, I will definitely post so you guys can check them out. And if you like videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be doing a lot more of random unboxings like this. I did do a lot of shopping for Black Friday, so I should be getting those soon, and I will unbox them, and there should be other unboxings coming to you guys soon. And I will see you guys next time. Have a happy holidays.